In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. The Zoom whiteboard is a built-in canvas where you can sketch ideas, add notes, and collaborate visually without leaving your meeting. It's great for brainstorming, planning, or teaching, and it works on both the desktop app and the browser. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Zoom account and that your app is up to date so the whiteboards option appears as expected. First, go to Zoom. You can open the desktop application or head to the Zoom website and sign in. Either way, you'll be able to access your meetings and the whiteboard feature from there. Next, join an existing Zoom meeting or start one of your own. You can host a new meeting if you want to practice, or join a team call to use the whiteboard in real time. Once you're in the meeting and connected to audio, you're ready to find the controls you need. Look toward the bottom of your Zoom window to find the meeting toolbar. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse or tap the screen to make it appear. This is the strip with familiar controls like mute, start video, and share screen. Click on the option labeled More, usually shown as 3 dots on the right side of the toolbar. The exact position can vary by screen size, but it's typically at the end of that row of controls. This opens an additional menu with extra meeting features. From the menu, select Whiteboards. This opens the Zoom Whiteboards panel where you can manage existing boards or start a fresh one. If it's your first time, you'll see a clean list or library view. Now click New Whiteboard. Zoom creates a blank canvas and opens the whiteboard editor in your meeting. You'll see drawing and layout tools along the edges, pens and highlighters for freehand sketches, shapes and lines for clean diagrams, text boxes for labels or headings, and sticky notes for quick ideas. You can zoom in and out to focus on details, undo or redo changes if you make a mistake, and move objects around to tidy your layout. If you're using a trackpad or a mouse, hold the spacebar to pan the canvas smoothly. As you work, participants can view your board, and depending on your meeting settings, they may be able to add to it as well. Zoom automatically saves your whiteboard to your account's whiteboards area, so you can revisit or edit it later without taking screenshots. That's it. You've opened Zoom, joined a meeting, found the toolbar, selected More, chosen Whiteboards, and created a new whiteboard to start collaborating.